So we're gonna do some experiments so we can see what our vocabulary words mean. So here I have dissolve, absorb, and waterproof. So for dissolve, I have some medicine tablets that I'm just gonna drop in some water, and I put some food coloring in it just so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm gonna drop the tablets in and let's see what happens. Ooh. Pretty cool, right? So the tablet is making all these bubbles and it's getting smaller and smaller and it's starting to go away. It's starting to disappear. It's starting to dissolve. So it gets smaller and smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller and smaller, and then it disappears into the water. Let's see if I can find that tablet. Oop, there it is. So it's breaking into little tiny pieces and it's dissolving. So it's disappearing. It's almost like it's melting away into the water. So it's going from a big round tablet and it dissolved into the water. Now it's no longer there. It dissolved. It broke up into tiny, tiny pieces that you can't even see anymore. All right, now let's take a look at absorb. So here I have almost like just a tissue, a napkin, and I'm going to wet it with a little bit of water. I put green food coloring in. Let's see what happens. Whoa. So the napkin absorbed the water. It sucked all of the water into the napkin, right? So now it's not like a spill on the table, right? If you make a spill on the table, like how we clean up at school, you use a napkin and it sucks it all in. It absorbs it. So when something sucks water in, or if you put something in water and it sucks it all up into it and it goes all the way in, it absorbs it. So all the water is in the napkin. It absorbed, it went in. All right, let's look at waterproof. So let's see what happens if we put it on this. This is a piece of wax paper. So it's a special kind of paper. Not like a tissue. It's not soft and fluffy like a napkin. It's a little bit more flat and smooth. Let's see what happens. It looks like the water is just sitting on top and you can move it around. But does it absorb it like the napkin does? No, it just went underneath it. Now it's on my table. But it doesn't dry it up like the napkin does. It is waterproof, so it repels water. So we can't use this paper to clean up a mess, right? It repels. So we have dissolve, absorb, and waterproof or repel, right? It doesn't go inside of the paper. Waterproof.